Order.
All right,
Okay.
well, we'll figure that out, dude. You got to. We're just trying to figure out what's going on. All right.
We're burglarizing the club. We're working.
Changing locks. Oh my God! Look at this shit.
Is there anybody else in the house?
Oh, we're doing the work order. Changing the locks. You see the fucking drill set, right?
You guys watch him. We'll go.
Put your phone down.
I can record. It's
Put
a
your
free.
phone- Just put
It's
your
a,
phone. I don't want what you have in your hands. Just,
nah, I don't trust you.
you can leave it on.
I don't
It's on.
trust you. It's on. Don't put it on him. We ain't doing nothing wrong. We're here to change a lock change.
Understood. We're here for a complaint. That's all.
The fuck?
I put my hands down.
We ain't doing nothing wrong.
Yeah, baby. One of the neighbors called to make you guys kick the door yourself.
Yeah, that's what we had to do. We got to break the lock. We got to change the locks.
Hey, I'll just tell you about right here.
Yeah, that's cool, man. I ain't tripping. Guess you see people like us out here.
Hey, I'll just tell you about right here.
Yeah, that's cool, man. I ain't tripping. Guess you see people like us out here.
Yeah,
Breaking in and change the locks.
they're not used to black people. Burgers in progress. What the fuck?
Yo, I'm sitting there, I say, yo, they're going to do cops. Y'all like, for real? For real, nigga, this shit is real.
Burger in progress. Show me the work order real quick.
Who's in charge?
Me.
You are? Okay. Do you have ID on you?